Meaning of deceiver.
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 Deceiver. The term deceiver refers to someone who intentionally misleads or misinforms others through lies, deception, or other dishonest tactics. A deceiver may use false information, manipulate situations, or engage in other forms of trickery to achieve their objectives and gain advantage over others. The result of being a deceiver is ultimately a loss of trust, respect, and credibility from those who have been deceived. This can have serious consequences for personal and professional relationships and may damage one's reputation and social standing.